Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about the volume adjusting in Windows. So the volume adjusting in Windows, it lets you to adjust your volumes. It lets you increase the volume, it lets you decrease the volume. So this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So here we are at my desktop. So over here, this is the volume icon in the taskbar. If I click over here, I get the volume window. So if I pull the slider to the right, the volume will increase. And if I pull this slider to the left, the volume will decrease. And if I pull it again to the right, it will increase. So this is the way you adjust the volume in your Windows. Now let's summarize. So in this video, we have covered how to adjust the volume in your Windows computer. Thank you for watching.